Hey there, in this video we're going to be sharing a report from the DT Connect app. Starting on the dashboard, select a job you want to share. Select the share icon in the top right corner. Then enter the email address of your choice below. Finally, click Send PDF Report. Let's have a quick look at what this email address will be receiving. They'll see an email that says a report has been sent to you with the download report link below. Once they click this, the report will open in a new tab. On the first page of the report, you have the client, the address, as well as the perform date, the technician and the device used. You'll see the number of detector tests completed, the assets identified, and a breakdown of that by asset type. You'll see the job notes, a signature, and then on the final page, the device test log. Here is a breakdown of each asset or test recorded with the device. And that's it.